How to add send message button on Facebook page. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add a send message button on your Facebook page using your Facebook app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So once you are on your Facebook, then here you have to tap on your profile in the top right corner. Then here you have to switch to your page. So tap on here and then select the page, and now once you're on your page, tap on your page in the top right here. Then here tap on your page, and here you will see these three dots. You have to tap on it, and then here you will see add action button. So tap on it, and here you will see the message button that is default. If you want to remove, you can tap on remove it, and if you want to add other action buttons, tap on edit buttons, and here you will see many action buttons. So these buttons are get help to contact you, these are help people to support you, and these are linked to your website or app. So select the button you want. You can only select one button. Select the button you want, and after selecting, tap on save. So here is the message button I added. So this is how you can add send message button on Facebook page. Thanks for watching.